Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resize your video in CapCut. So let's get started. So the first step is to make sure you have updated your CapCut to the latest version. So now let's get started on the tutorial. So the first step is to open your CapCut application, and once you have done that, you can see this sort of interface. So over here I have already imported a video. So if you don't know how to import your video, what you have to do is click on this import, and here you can select the video that you want to import to the CapCut timeline. So I'm just going to import this. So for this I'm going to use my first video that I have already imported. So the next step is to drag this to your timeline. So I'm just going to drag this video over here. Alright, so as you can see, this is our full screen video. So to resize this video, what you have to do is, here you can see the ratio option. Click on this ratio, and here you can select your ratio. So if I want to make sure that this comes off as a reel or a short, I'm just going to click on 9:16. And as you can see, this is our 9:16 video. So I'm just going to zoom it over here and make sure the gameplay part is on the center. So yeah, as you can see, this is now done. So that is how you'll be able to resize your video in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.